In this video, you'll learn how to set up and use your ProEdge smart lock with the StorID app for easy, secure access to your unit. Start by completing your online rental application. Next, download the StorID app from the Google Play or Apple App Store. Once you open the app, you will be prompted to enter your phone number. Once submitted, you'll receive a one-time password via SMS. Enter that code to continue. Next, create your account by setting up your email address and password. You're now ready to access your unit. Accessing your unit is simple. Press the button on the lock to wake it up. The LED light will turn blue, indicating it's ready. In the StorID app, find your assigned unit and slide the access bar to unlock. The LED will turn green, letting you know the lock is ready to open. Slide the latch to unlock and open the door. When you're finished, close the door and slide the latch back into place. Press the button to lock the door. The LED should turn red, confirming it's securely locked. If you see a yellow light, the latch isn't fully engaged. Push it firmly into position and press the button again until the light turns red. Here's a quick overview of what each LED color means. Blue means the lock is ready to receive a signal from your phone. Green means the latch is ready to open. Red means the lock is secure. Flashing yellow means the latch isn't fully closed and needs adjustment. The StorID app makes access even easier. When enabled, it can run in the background and automatically detect nearby gates or smart devices. If something doesn't open automatically, just open the app, tap the lock icon, select your unit, and slide to unlock. That's it! You're all set to use your ProEdge smart lock with StorID. Enjoy simple, secure access to your unit.